Have you ever wondered why the rich just keep getting richer, even when the world is falling apart? Markets crash, currencies lose value, wars break out, yet billionaires seem almost untouchable. The truth is, they don't just make money, they protect it, using smart strategies that most people never even hear about. And in 2025, with AI-driven risks, inflation, and global uncertainty, these strategies have evolved. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes, and I'll reveal exactly how billionaires protect their wealth in 2025, and how you can apply the same mindset. You're watching Alpha Crypto Lab. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about diversification. It sounds simple, but billionaires do it on an entirely different level. They spread their wealth across multiple asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, private businesses, commodities, and now digital assets like Bitcoin and tokenized real estate. The goal: never depend on a single market or currency. If stocks fall, real estate holds. If fiat currencies inflate, commodities or crypto can preserve value. In 2025, the ultra-wealthy are adding AI companies, blockchain assets, and tokenized art to their portfolios because the future is digital. Next, they own hard assets. In a world of rising inflation and digital risks, tangible assets are more valuable than ever. Now here's a secret weapon most people overlook: legal structures. Billionaires protect their wealth using trusts, foundations, and global companies. These structures don't just optimize taxes, they shield assets from lawsuits, political changes, and even family disputes. In 2025, more ultra-wealthy individuals are setting up offshore trusts and multi-jurisdictional entities to ensure their wealth is protected across borders. But what about digital security? In 2025, cybercrime is one of the biggest threats to wealth. That's why billionaires are investing millions in personal cybersecurity, private digital vaults, encrypted communications, and cold storage for their crypto assets. The lesson here: if your assets are digital, your security must be world-class, or you could lose everything in an instant. Finally, and this is the part most people miss, billionaires invest in advice. They surround themselves with top legal, financial, and technology experts who constantly scan the horizon for risks and opportunities. No one can manage wealth alone. And equally important, they invest in knowledge. They stay ahead of trends from AI to crypto to geopolitics. Because in today's world, information is the ultimate asset. So now you know, protecting wealth is not about luck. It's about strategy, structure, and mindset. Which of these billionaire strategies will you start applying today? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because at Alpha Crypto Lab, we bring you the strategies the wealthy don't want you to know. See you in the next video.